Hi friends, so today we'll talk about again some basics, some basic, very basic fundamentals of quality. This is my third video on the basics of quality, and here I am using some different approach. I am writing concepts on the whiteboard or green board, and then trying to explain it in very simplified way. When we talked about quality, quality is defined at the org level. We call it quality management system, and that helps for customer, that helps in gaining the profit and acquiring the new business also. These are the, I would not say all, but few of the fundamental requirements for quality management system. For what, for whom, for what purpose we have quality management system in place. Now when we have quality management system in place, it helps in getting the better quality of the product or services or processes. We company as an will be able to deliver it on time. It will less rework, that will improve the profit, and it will help in achieving the higher productivity also in manufacturing on the services or like that. Now to achieve all these things, we have to have a systems in place. We have to, it has to have a standard processes in place. Now to achieve all these things, to achieve better quality, on time, less rework, higher productivity, we have to measure few of the things or matrices on continuous basis. So these are some of the parameters like performance, quality, cost and schedule. These are the key, some of the key parameters which are being measured on continuous basis. Now, so what we have talked about quality management system, why it is required, how it helps, and what do we measure. Now coming to the, I would say another point, how do we implement a quality management system in place? I talked in one of the earlier video also. We have to put systems and processes in place, and we have to have some tool set also which would help in implementation of those processes that will support the business, okay, that will support the new business, and that will support the organization also as a whole, right? So these systems and processes and tools will support. Now it will help in benchmarking, certification and standardization, these three things, and there could be few more. So we put systems and processes in place. We have a set of tools which would support businesses, which would support the organization, and it will help in benchmarking, certification and standardization, right? These are the some of the basics I am just trying to explain in this video. Now again coming to this benchmarking exercise and standardization and all that, again the focus remains on the performance, quality, cost and schedule. These are some of the parameters. Now one more thing which I want to cover today is related to tools. Most of the time tools would be of different types, so we can put it in two major bucket or major categories. One is management tool and second is design and engineering tools, and there could be few more like online reporting tools and all that. These tools will help in automation of processes. Those tools will help in developing a management information system, decision support system, and required reports also, compliance report also, which would be required, which would help in achieving these targets, measuring those all these matrices, help in benchmarking, standardization and certification, help in better quality, on time and all these things. At the same time, all these automation tools, process will help in implementation of quality management system. So here I tried covering the QMS for customer, for better profit, for new business, For on time, better quality, systems and processes required, tools are required to support benchmarking, all that. So this gives the complete view why quality is required and how it is important. In next video I will try to cover more such topics in very simplified and flowchart language. Thank you so much.